Go ahead.
I'm interviewing? No, you're getting over here and talking with me.
Oh, I got through the allergies.
Sorry, babe. Are your glasses on?
What do you want?
You have your allergy eyes?
Yep.
All right, we're taking our sick boat today to the doctor.
All right, take 2.
All right, take 3. Okay. We're taking our sick doctor. We're taking our sick boat to the doctor today from our...
So we've taken her out twice, and both times have ended in catastrophe. So today we're going to break that spell. We're going to limp this thing with 1 propeller, 1 good rudder, and we're leaving right here at the start of high tide, and we're going to try and get down to Tarpon Springs to the boatyard where they're going to haul us out tomorrow morning. So we're going to leave today so that we leave ourselves plenty of time to get there, and we're going to tie up there for the night, and then haul us out at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
At Pittman's in Tarpon Springs.
Pittman's yard boat services.
We are determined to no longer be a run-aground channel.
Yeah, no more of that.
No more run-aground game.
We're going to take it slow and easy today. I'm going to limp in, but we're going to be careful, and we're going to stay in deep water, and we're going to get there safe, and we're going to have a successful 3-legged race today.
So let's do it.
All right.
And it's beautiful weather.
Beautiful.
Except for your allergies.
Except for my allergies.
In July 2020, we decided to sell our home and chase our dream of living on a boat. We drove the 4 corners of Florida looking for a boat and found a lot of adventures in between. Join us as we chase our dreams and leave everything else behind. Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Danielle.
And welcome to another exciting episode with Naughty D's. Every time I've climbed into this seat, it's ended in disaster. My allergies are out of control. I've got 16 nautical miles to go. I've got 1 good propeller, 1 good rudder. I had no other options but to succeed. It's the moment I've been dreading all along. I've got to turn this thing around on one prop and one rudder and dock this thing without destroying anything else.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna spin around. I'm waiting for him to get by me.
Which way?
Turn it around.
Reverse it, babe.
I will. Huh?
Stay up here?
The wind's got me. Watch it, babe.
You're all right. Come on up some more. That tide's still coming in. Come on up a little more. Come on. Go ahead, tie it.
Is that good?
Yeah. Hold it right there.
Danny knew I needed some time to myself. I sat here, pondering the weeks and months before, the last 2 voyages, the thousands of dollars in damage. And finally, I could sit here and remember why we started this journey to begin with. The day was flawless for the first time. Was our bad luck behind us? Was everything gonna be smooth sailing from here on out? Only time will tell. But a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. And tonight, for me, it started with a single voyage.
Good morning, baby.
Really?
What are we doing?
Up before my time.
Morning.
Good morning. How you doing today?
Doing all right. How about yourself? So how do you want me to do this? Just pull out and spin and try and get in, or?
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
You guys need to not jump over there. So he said if we want to move off, get everything off, he said it'd probably be easier for us to do it now before it's on the hard.
Last night was by far the best night we've had since we've been on the boat. I think our bad luck is behind us.
Well, probably gonna want to call your insurance company because this is gonna get expensive.
Yeah, so this is a bad morning, that's for sure. Yes. Yeah, oh yeah, we immediately heard that we hit something. And like I said, we didn't realize it was as bad as it was until we got it hauled out there. Hey, what time do you think that was that happened? You think about probably around noonish that day? Yeah, around noon or 1. Just Danielle and my 2 dogs.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart.
Not happy about this.
We're letting go, drifting apart.
Okay, it's haul out day. You know, we brought the boat down. You saw us bring it in last night and had a wonderful night last night. Funny thing is, probably one of the best nights we've had on this boat last night. Probably a lot of noise back there. I'm sure you can hear yourself. Anyway,
We are at highly suggested, highly preferred yard in Tarpon Springs. Called
Pittman's Yacht Services, and I cannot tell you how great these guys have all been. I mean, from the guy that runs it all the way down to the people that have been on the boat already. It's just, you know, I can't imagine being in a better boatyard. These guys are great. So, you know, if you're anywhere in central West Florida and you need to have your boat hauled out, you know, it's worth the trip. Moving on. So, you know, we brought it down here. We knew we had damage to a rudder. We knew we had damage to our props. We were under the belief that, you know, we were just gonna repair some props, repair a rudder, and be out of here in 4 days. One of the first things he said to me was, call your insurance. So both of my rudders are like bent backwards like this. So if the boat's going like this, you know, your rudders should be like down like this. My rudders, both of them are like this. And then of course my props, you know, are all curled up on one of them, and you know, just it's a mess. Anyway, it looks like we're gonna be in the yard 2 weeks. During that 2 weeks, I'm gonna come out and try and get a few things done on my side. And
new underwater lights.
you know, we need to replace some underwater lights. But that's where we're at right now. We're gonna now have to begin the process of packing to move off the boat and back to an Airbnb or no, a timeshare for a week. I don't know about you, but for
It's
some,
been a ride. It's not a boat ride, but it's been a ride.
but I also feel kind of hopeful and I feel kind of lucky the way things are working out. I keep feeling like things are happening to us, and in a lot of ways I feel like things are happening for us. So that's where we're at now. We're going to start the process of moving off boat and moving ashore for a couple weeks.
We're gonna try to make the best of that. Hey, well, at least we'll get some pool time, I guess, huh?
Hey, do us a favor and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And please don't forget to follow us on Instagram at NaughtyDs. If you think you'd like to support us, you can find the link to our Patreon page on our YouTube profile and become an official member of the Naughty Crew. We're off to Kissimmee, Florida to the Vacation Village and Parkway Resort. It's not our boat, but we settle in and enjoy all the timeshare has to offer. Then it's off to Disney Springs, to the boathouse to cure our boat desires. It's all that and more on our next episode of Naughty D's.